Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that just came back on the market. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3361 El Dorado Avenue North. It's kind of at the top of El Dorado. This one was under contract right at the beginning and just fell out of escrow. Current list price is $650. So this is high enough up on El Dorado where you don't get all the traffic. Driveway's a little steep, but it does level out at the top, and there is some side, RV boat type parking. It does sit on a pretty big lot, 16,335 square feet. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2001. 1,618 square feet. Again, sits on a big lot, over 16,000 square feet. It's got the tall ceilings, split floor plan, open living area. Nice fireplace, can lights. Nice open kitchen with an island, little eat-at granite counter. Got killer lake view off the sink window. You can basically see the whole island out of your window from the sink here. Nice little dining area. So you got your master at the rear of the house, tall ceilings, has a slider out to the backyard. You have your master bath, granite top, skylight. Also has can lights, little walk-in shower. You have your walk-in closet. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath on the other side of the house. So this is the guest bath. Skylight, can lights. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage right off the front door. It's got a little utility sink. So it's got a pretty decent 2-car garage, 20-foot wide door, 29 feet deep with an 8-foot tall door. The door is insulated. You have your RO, soft water, water heater. So you have a slider off the kitchen, the nice oversized patio. So there is a vacant lot next door that the people behind own. They wanted to preserve their view, so they bought both. That's the slider out from the master. So you got this house behind here that's on a flag lot. And so the property line's probably right here where those pins are by the telephone pole. So there is plenty of room for a pool. So you have real nice lake views. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough of the house over here on El Dorado. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get the original listing pictures, current price, availability. Also put all my contact information right below this video, so if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.